Hi guys, so today's the first day that I'm vlogging, but today it's Friday. It is about 1:42, late start, but yeah, I need to clean my house, so, and I figured why not have you guys along with me. So yeah, my house is not like too dirty, but it definitely needs some picking up to do. So yeah, so also I want to say I'm filming this on my phone because my camera, I don't know, something decided to break. So, and John and I really haven't had time to go back to the store and return it or exchange it, but let's go ahead and let's start cleaning. basically kind of what I do every day. Sometimes I'll do like more. Like I will literally get down on my hands and knees and clean the floors. But yeah, so that's basically what I do. Now I'm sweaty. Cause you know, when you live in Colorado, there's like no oxygen up here, or like no, it's just a very high elevation. And you basically get a workout from just walking from one bedroom to the next. But yeah, no, it is, I'll show you guys. Like, look at how pretty it is. So yeah, it's just so gorgeous. Isn't it just so pretty? And it's like 80 degrees outside. So yeah, so pretty. I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I know my husband, he goes in the field tomorrow, Saturday, and he doesn't come back. I don't even know. And I know that he's gonna be gone for a while. I hate it. I hate it when he leaves because I don't know. I just lately, like this whole month, I just literally feel like I have not seen my husband like at all. So, but yeah, let's chill out. Let's hang out. Let's you know, let's talk. So yeah, yeah, I plan on vlogging some more. I don't know when I'm gonna get my new camera, but as soon as I have it, I'm pretty much be filming on my phone, which it's not bad quality whatsoever. But hey, baboosh, hey, baby, you wanna say hi? Say hello. And she's over it. What? Hi, mama. So, yeah, this is my first ever vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I like watching vlogs. That's all I watch, especially like cleaning ones. I can watch them all day, every day. But, what you barking at? So yeah, now I need to go take out the trash, and which I might wait and let my husband do that, but I don't know. That's like his only chore. Like I do everything else and he can just take out the trash. So, uh-oh, she's in the playing mood. Get that ball. Get that ball. Get that ball. You smelling daddy's stuff? But yeah. I might hop back on later. I don't know yet, but I know I'm thirsty. I need to go to the grocery store because I need to get, because since John won't be home, I won't have to make like big meals, so I like to like snack on stuff. So I need to do that. I need creamer. And yeah, yeah, I might hop back on here later. I'll let you guys know, but alright, now I'm taking Layla on a walk. As you can tell, I can't really see myself, so yeah. This is Layla's second walk of the day. She likes walks. But yeah. It's so pretty outside. One thing though that I love about Colorado is there is absolutely no humidity. It's nice. So yeah. I mean, this view is incredible. I mean, look at out there. Get the birdies. But be sweet to the birdies. Come on, Goober. Come on. Alright, I'm back in from Layla's walk. So yeah, I am going to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel out, and make sure to subscribe and you can join the Gimmer fam. But yeah, hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. Layla and I say see you later. Bye guys.